Hey gang, Matt with Atlas Precision Consulting here. Today's video we're talking about item merging. This is a useful tool if somebody accidentally created a part number, used it, but then you realized, oh, we already have a part number for that. It allows you to bring it back in to that original item ID. It's also useful if you are buying a new replacement item either from the same vendor or a different vendor, but you want to bring over the history, the inventory quantities, whatever you want to bring over, that'll get brought over into that new item ID as well, which you do need to create first. You can't create an item ID from this screen. We're going to take two items in our test system here. We're going to take Bolt 5, which we have 200 of them in stock. Our moving average on that is 25 cents, and our usage for this month is 10. And then we're going to combine it with Bolt 6, which has also 200 in stock, has 35 cents moving average, and a usage of 25. And you're going to see what happens once we merge those two items. Now I'm on the item merge screen here, and they rightfully so give you a lot of warnings, because once you do this, you can't go back. So you need to be careful on what you're doing and making sure you're understanding what you're doing. I always recommend doing this into a test environment just to make sure that you're happy with how the results came through. So I'm going to bring everything back into my older part number. I'm going to bring it all back into Bolt 5. So we're going to pull in Bolt 6, and we're saying, hey, we want to move that into Bolt 5. And then at that point, it's a simple matter of saving. Again, it's going to make sure you're okay with this, because you can't go back. All right, so I'm going to pause real quick, and then I'm going to bring up Bolt 5 in our item master inquiry again. So you can see I got Bolt 5 pulled up here. You can see I have now 400 available quantity on hand. And if I go to my cost tab, you will now see I have an average of 30 cents. It took that 25 and that 35 and averaged it out for me. And then also, if we look at our usage tab, you can see we actually have a quantity of 35 usage, combining the 10 and the 25. One thing that I did not mention when we were on the item merge screen, there is an option to leave the one you're pulling from. So if we go back to our results here, from where you're pulling from, it will allow that to stay as a alternate item ID for Bolt 5. So if I come over here and hit clear, and I type in Bolt 6 again and hit enter or tab, it's going to pull up Bolt 5, because I've told it I want to keep that legacy part number as part of Bolt 5. Now you don't have to do that, and you can always go back. That you can change your mind on. You can just go delete that alternate ID later if you wish. If you guys have any questions on item merges, if you have questions on anything really, just put a comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos from Atlas. Thanks, guys.